Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. And if it is your very first time to see this video, you're welcome. My name is Sentongo Mbarak and this is Homex Battery Solutions. You can kindly subscribe and enable the notification bell so that you get all my videos when I upload. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can simply replace your battery top that has been repaired earlier before, and it looks like it is not looking well. So we try to replace another battery top from the old battery, and we put it on this new battery that it is still working. So kindly follow all the steps, and don't forget to share, like and comment on my videos. Wherever I upload, you subscribe and get the notification of my uploads. So guys, keep following. This is the full video, so kindly follow all the steps and do it yourself at home. Thank you for watching, and I beg you to comment and tell me your thoughts about this video. Share my videos, like and comment. Thank you for watching, and keep watching. This is the video.